see if you. It's so lovely. You got Kizzy's done.
Yeah.
And
I'm controlling it
And that's
right
all we
here.
were going to do today.
So-
Oh, should we join hospital again?
See if you could do a trick.
Well, we right, that's what
Like
Cal
that?
and I said, so we thought
Like that, Mom?
we're going to
Yeah, that was a good trick.
Right, Cal? Yes, on Costco?
I think we
I
should.
don't think you can.
I think we've used it enough that I don't think we can. Woo!
oh, that was awesome. Did you get that on video?
I hope so.
Well, I'm
You'll
good.
have to do
I've
another one of
been
those.
thinking about getting more of my fruits and stuff from Costco.
Oh, really?
It seems like they have organic fruit.
Okay.
So yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Same as we did. Whoever goes, maybe
Always
renew
look
it and then
this
we'll.
way and that
Okay.
way.
Okay.
We might go
Thanks for
tomorrow
looking.
'cause we need green beans. We need lettuce because we're going to make bacon lettuce tomato sandwich.
Oh, Talia said you made that.
Oh, our bacon
And I
was
was
so
like,
good.
oh my god, that
We finally,
died for it.
we've tried bacon for a long, long time. Tried to do bacon.
Yeah.
Do another trick, Ben. Go up over the rock.
And
I won't be able to go tomorrow because we're doing all day.
Okay, so and they might,
And
we
we
just
might do
want
the
to
next
manifest
day.
that they get it done
Yeah.
and there's no trouble.
They
And
said
One more
all
trick.
day
One
and
more
then
trick.
possibly the next day, so
One more trick.
Okay.
I might be. But yeah, okay. Let's just get this way.
Just let it go fast and easy.
Slowly just call us.
Wow.
And we'll come.
I will. I'll keep you updated, kind of like, oh, they're here.
Whoa, that was a good one. Good trick.
You can just drive him on that side. He doesn't. Oh, does he need to be upright?
No, he can flip either way.
I think he drives either side. Watch out for the dog, okay?
Want to bring it over here?